So we needed to get GraphBit installed through PyPI using the pip installation into your environment. So let's get started with. So first of all, as you can see, to get installed the GraphBit, we need to just copy the command pip install GraphBit. Then I will head over to the IDE where I already created a virtual environment in the project. So upon executing the pip install GraphBit, you can see the GraphBit got installed. Upon installation, we will test out an example of GraphBit. I will copy an example from the GraphBit repo. So then we'll paste the example and we'll run it. So the example contains an GraphBit workflow example with tool calling. Let's wait for it to finish up. So you can see the example got executed successfully. That's it. That's how you can install GraphBit and also run an example of the GraphBit